A hummingbird built its nest on my hanging hummingbird figurine. This goose at my hospital laid eggs and is nesting in a large planter. One of our maintenance guys built an umbrella for her and set up nearby water for her. Two eagles have decided to build a nest right outside my grandma's window on the 12th floor. Baby bird in the mouth of a wolf statue at my university. A robin made its nest and laid some eggs in the middle of my hanging basket. The nest that some birds made in my bicycle seat pack while I was away. I'll take the bus to work as long as they need it. Duck made a nest in my fire pit, and duckies finally hatched. This bird making its nest in a mop. People kept pointing their phones at the CCTV camera. I'm gonna make a nest right here. My wife hung a wreath on our front door. In the first week, a bird built a nest inside the wreath. Week 2, a bird built a nest on top of the wreath. A robin has nested inside an mix helmet in my shed. An East Wren couple moved into a hiking boot in my parents' garage, and today their family grew by 5. Behold, the miracle of nature, that is the pigeon nest. A sure sign you have been taking this stay-at-home thing seriously. Robin created nest in back of an elephant planter. Our country has been in movement control order. This is 10 days into the lockdown. This is a Canadian goose named Dorothy. She visits my grandparents' house every year to make her nest and lay her eggs. Found at my local Lowe's. I fed a duck, and then she made a nest 6 feet from my front door. A bird sitting in a nest in a wild bird sign. Robin's nest in the top of a fence post. Hummingbird family made a nest in a pair of hanging pole goggles. A hummingbird made a tiny nest on a Christmas light. An old jacket hanging in the woods with a bird's nest built in the pocket. I love pigeons because when it's time to make a nest they're like whatever. That pigeon nesting between anti-pigeon spikes. An urban bird that uses cigarette butts to protect its chicks from parasites, harmful to humans but beneficial to birds. Birds built a nest in our window. Got a little surprise when I got home from work.
SlideShow of Animals on YouTube is a place for everyone who loves animals. New videos posted daily.